The Enquiry University Meghalaya admission open 2024. The university offers program courses in the schools of management, humanities, social sciences, and science and technologies for both undergraduate and postgraduate programs, UG and PG programs. Full-time campus programs offered under the undergraduate programs are BBA, BCA, BCom, BTTM, BA, Economics, Political Science, English and Education. For PG programs are MBA, MCom, MTTM, MCA, MA, Political Science, English and Education, MA Khasi, MSW and MA Music. For further information and details, visit or contact the Enquiry University Meghalaya Shillong Campus, Powerville near Shillong Law College, Langkyrding Meghalaya. Phone number 0364 222 0057 94851 58603 700 505 7728 8794 250646.
An inquiry team acting on behalf of the Meghalaya government's Housing Department has initiated a thorough investigation into substandard aluminium roofing sheets supplied to various community and rural development blocks. On the 2nd of July 2024, the team, accompanied by Hynniewtrep Youth Council members, conducted a site inspection at the Langkyrding Lumphira, Nongmensong godown, revealing substandard thickness and lightweight sheets. The comprehensive investigation will continue until the 9th of July 2024, covering all districts of Meghalaya. It may be mentioned that recently HYC President Roy Kuparsunram had raised concerns about the substandard materials and demanded an investigation, alleging that the Directorate of Housing distributed corrugated aluminium roofing sheets with a thickness of 0.25 mm, significantly below the specified 0.45 mm standard. The Directorate of Housing has been instructed to take action against the responsible company, the Haryana Iron Works Private Limited, Kolkata, West Bengal, and ensure that such lapses do not recur. The HYC has demanded strict action against those responsible for the substandard materials and urged upon the state government to ensure quality materials for development projects.
When they dig into it, into thickness, into the density, they should come around 5.5 kali. Tambah kali kita ni point mentah point 3.6, 3.7. So that's kadang kami ayukan kami harapkan bagi standard ni. HAU supplier open competition ni bisa di kapal untai. Dari benda 5.5. 3.5.
Itu bunyi besar. Tanya sih. Ini dia half of this, and it 0.5. Ini di mana? Sama
corrugated aluminum sheets on your complaint. So we have notified and invited your presence also.
Yes, we will try. Whenever you go, we will try to.
Okay.
Otherwise, if our CC members are there, not there also are members, we will get.
If you're not presence also, you can send someone.
Yes. We will send someone.
Since we have already given the schedule of visits, accordingly with the information of the district housing officers and PDOs, we will try to visit there.
Yes, sir. We will do that.
Dan nakaliang ngajongi kum kasing hadin mangilabu kutoka jing ujor ka office jong Minister in charge of Housing Department ngila yo jing tip buat Minister in charge hula thung ya ke inquiry team kaman let aman na ki jakang ni ki block ba kumju re ki godown ka housing department ni po khasian jante hills de menta ka sngi de ka sin ka ba ningkong jong ka ni inquiry team ban let tokit hapo ki godown bat ya ka ba na kalyang jong ki la pentip ru yangi ti hadin mangila yo jing tip menta ka sngi la wan hang ni po Langkyrding hang ni ka godown jong ka housing department ban wan tho ban wan pet ikini ki ten ki bodon hang ni godown kat kum gajeng ya tu jong ki officer ki ong ki kini ki ten ki bala poi ni po godown ki ten ki bala I order kat kum gatuka work order jong snem arja ar po ar ti ye kila persang ban tho ban wo ya ka pengkiang ya ka lenter jong kini ki ten bo kum ju ya ka jeng reben ti naki daki 4000 tli ki ten ki bodon hang ni la sei kumba santli ki ten naki jakabu ki ba fer naki lot ki ba fer hadin bala thau ngilap ba kani kajing reben jong ini kiten hot kajing he ka pengkiang galenter ki biang kajing reben jong kiten bat bun ni kini santli kiten lightly na sautli kiten ka jing reben ga jong ki ga dei saupo adu saupo omut ba kamdon sausan but ha kajing shisha na kalyang jong seng ngila kwa ru ban habaki wan ban thau kani ga jakang i kwa ru bakin thau sundo ni kajing khia na market kum kajing sauthu ka jong i kini ki alloy aluminium alloy ki bang ki tin ki bamenta lada fishim ya kajing drong ka ba khandai praput kajing yar ka ba prapu cm lane praspa kumju ka thickness lane kajing urban ka ba sausan kajing kya ka jongki lada fishim shi ki ong shi bundle lane khandai tli ki tin ki bawan shi bundle kajing kya ka dai bandai sanpho kilo ki khandai tli ki tin dai kat kum ka jing so thu ka jongi kini ki tin ki badon banta ka jing kya ka jongki kanom poi sanpho kilo na mar ka wi pa ka wi ka tin ka jing kya jongki ka dai tang lai point riu do lai point nyo kilo ti ngiso ba kani ka specification ya ka ba ka sor la ka housing department ka ayo ni u supplier kami ha bat kata ka jing ma jing tip ka jongi la ne ka ma ka kitin ki badai ban long ka jing kya ka jongki bat ka jing ruben ka jongki ka ai ka ba ka ai ka bang smo kya na kalyang ka jongi hot ngiso thu ya ka jing ya fair namar baru asyikata kisnam ka sorkar ha ba ka sami gini kitin ki longyeng lama gini ki housing scheme ki sam da ki CGI sheet mut ki galvanized iron kitu ki bakham kya lada fira eka sausan ka khia bahan re gini kiten ki bamenta ki aluminium alloy ke ba ki sting ten re ke ba pensngau khia yangi galong ba na gini sau bat santli kiten ki bangi tho menta kimlong uniform lani kim ya hab thik kata ka sausan te lada santli kiten na ki bat dagi 4000 ngilap ki don hadu lightly ki bombiang kata kajing reben te lada fi perkhat kajing bu order la ne ka jing thiet jong housing department ke bada ki lak teli gitin tina katnu teli gindan kita bukum kita gitin ki bomdan ni kata specification kepada sausan tilada kamdan ni ka specification ke basau atu kamlong pat kajing du nong ya unong thiet ka umut ba ya ka sarkar bukum ju ri upat ba na mga pisa ka ga jongi ba bangi thiet ka tin ke basausan ki poi man dikini gitin ki bomdan sausan ki bedan tang saupo sauwe bukum ta ter ti kata ka ga jing lap ka jongi mta si banang ni syakmat kaladon pa ka schedule ya kabana kalang dong inquiry team kelabu menginlet keleng ki blok bat ki housing go down ki badan po khasi we jantia tingin nang let namar ki video ki bangiyo ki bangilet ban pha ki khot ki de na po Nongmensong na po mothar rasan kum jurun na po sora tingin let khnang kini ki jaka namar kum mangiyo mangile si kini kitin ki badan hang ni po go down ki compare ni kitu kitin ki badan ki po C&RD block tingin nomla ban pensisai kata lem dangi let ban thok tinang ni syakmat ru santri kanon gajing let chapo kunur sla khat arsnong kumju ru chapo shela blog te nakalian jong sang ini syembeta kani ke inquiry team bat ke bangilap nakadi gajing let lang ga jongi bat ke inquiry team ngin sa ajimut syaka sarkar bat ke ba ka dei ban le nam taban ban ha yakini itin bat kawi ka ba syai ka long ba kini itin kistang bat kumangitep hi garilum khasi ba jantia kani gari ga jongi gre bajur uslap ka bajur upriap kumta ter ti ngi hakajing keren ga jongi ngi sotho begini gitin lada hab uslap kum ta ter kila ban pe ti kajing kan don jingmut ayu ban ay kum gini gitin lada tang shu hab upria lane tang shu ayu kin peino but hot ngi sotho ya kajing mut jong housing department ga long ba kini gitin abai dei bat kajing sarang ki ong bakinom sarang shu ma ki alloy ki aluminium alloy Andre akawi kaliang pat gipat ba lani kinong song ki kwa ya ka quality kwa ya kitin ki balada ki yo nang sarkar kin yo ban pendon kam kanom don jingmut ban yo ka batang si samoi kinom la shu ban pendon kam te kata ka jing lap ka jongi mata ka si matang ni syakmat kumang OIP ka ladon ka schedule ka jing lecture jong ni inquiry team ya ban kalian jong sang ini si mata bat hadin kan ni ndang ilalap
ke ga baduna bat hangnia tai ki jing duna nak liang jo ka sengin sa shimpat ikiwi ki sinja